What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And this week is going to be a big week in the SPY. Everybody thinks it's going down. Some people think you should still be bullish because they think it's going up. I'm here to tell you this thing is about to rocket. I'm going to show you how. So let's take a look at every time SPY has committed 2 times, guys. And what I'm talking about is they had resistance, they came back down, and then they just launched off, guys. So now you can call this a double top right in this area, or we can call it a cup in handle. I'm going to paint this green, and you can see, okay, that if I come here, guys, okay, every single one of them was a cup in handle. Now, what's the most important part with SPY? I talked about this in a previous video. They need to come back and retest the 8 EMA, guys. And if you take a look at the chart, guys, you can see that I've pointed out and drawn out every single time we've had a retest. We went under the 8 EMA. Okay, this green line is the 8 EMA, guys, and we came down and we went back up past it. But you know, to have a true bull run, and in order to understand that the stock is going to continue to go up, we need to retest the 8 EMA. And you can see every single time this has happened, okay, we retest at the 8 EMA. So we came from under, came up, and bottom, guys. Look, these are the healthy pullbacks, guys. Right now, we haven't had one in a while. And look at how far apart we are from the 8 EMA. Let me take my little arrow here, or make it a little arrow. Look at that, guys. Okay, we are far away from the 8 EMA, guys. And here's what you need to know. So we have 2 scenarios that can happen, guys. Okay, and we were at a top of 672. We need to come back to the 8 EMA, cross it, come back above it, retest it, and then take off to the races, guys. And I'm going to tell you right now, I have around 676 for the next stop if we retest. Now, we also have a possibility of coming back to the 15 EMA. Okay, put that down on your indicators, guys. If you have the dominator, you can adjust it. Very simple. We go past the 15 EMA, guys. We're going to bounce off of it, and we will head towards 676. Okay, now what does this mean for you? This means that you cannot ignore that we are at an all-time high, and we can potentially start coming back down. You have 2 numbers. We have 665 and we have 662. I prefer 662, guys. Why? I'm going to tell you. From 672 all the way to 676, guys, that is a $13 move that could potentially happen. If you go back and study the chart, it'll take us 3 to 5 days, maybe 7 trading days to get there. But imagine you're going to have an opportunity to buy the SPY. And if you buy option contracts, guess what? Nice money time, guys. Okay, $13 move coming. Now you're going to have people maybe on YouTube or Twitter telling you, no, I think we're going to keep going down. Look, ignore the jackasses that are not giving you a chart, that are not telling you what the fundamentals are, and that are not telling you what's going on with the Mag 7. These are important points before we start saying, oh, we're going to crash. Guys, when is the last time the stock market crashed where it fell 500 points, 1,000 points? Okay, so we have a 90+% chance of getting another Fed cut rate in October. Guess what that means, guys? That means companies get a discount to buy products, which means it boosts profit. And what they're going to do is they're going to run this up before that Fed cut rate, which means by the time we get there, it's already priced in. Don't be one of those new rookies that says, oh, we're about to go up because they're cutting rates. No, they're going to do it now. They're going to take this market up there. And with the way they're going to do it is that they're going to come back down, okay, to The 8 EMA or the 15, I prefer the 15 because I want a really healthy run after that, guys. Okay. Let me tell you, it's going to happen. For you to think that we are going to go past this point means that you have not studied charts. And all you have to do, guys, is you have to look at where we took it to on Friday. We went up to 672 area, guys. And look at this. See this big long wick? Okay. They brought the price action back down $2.73. Guys, it's so easy to bring SPY down $3 overnight. Not the end of the world. If you buy the correct contract, buy something that expires 14 to 30 days from now, your contract will survive a 3, even to a $6 drop, guys, and then we go back up. I prefer and recommend 30 days, guys. Look at the chart. If we go back and you see, and all you have to do is just count 30 days, and I'm going to show you what I teach in the bull ring. Let's say you bought a contract here 30 days, okay, with expiration, and then it went down $13. And this happened in 6 days. But remember, your contract expires in 30, and let's just move this up 30 days from that point, okay? And look at this, okay? We're going up, and right at this point, we'll take 28 because 30 was on the weekend, okay? 28 days later, you had a $13 move up, okay? Now, if you're a day trader and you're dropping $300 a week, $600 a week on trading SPY because you're watching people that drive Lambos and say they make $7,000 a day, okay, and you're losing, I'm telling you why you're losing. Because you cannot trade that fast. You take any part of SPY, guys, okay, and I'm telling you, we just take the top part, because I'm going to assume it was the worst time to get in. Boom. Look at that. $20 drop. But if I move this up 30 days, guys, look at this. Okay. 30 days later, a $9. Let me add this or size it up correctly. You had a $9.84 increase in your options, guys. Buy the correct delta. Buy the correct time. How are you going to lose with SPY, guys? SPY always goes up. Look at the chart. Don't make that mistake where you're trying to play for the day and you don't understand how to get in and get out, guys. Look, let's just do one more exercise here since you guys have hung out, and I'm going to say that SPY is going to drop, let's say in the next couple of days, $14. Let's call it 15, guys, okay? Now, if it dropped $15, guys, okay? Now, I can take from here, and I'm going to go across, and we're going to do 28 days, guys, okay? All you have to do is take the average of the last 30 days, guys, okay? Look at that, okay? Looking at about $20-$30, guys. I'm telling you right now, when we get the following, as a matter of fact, let me get my beautiful magic marker, which I love. Look at this. When we get the beautiful yellow support, guys, okay, you want to go in, guys. You want to go in. You're going to have a nice run. If you can't afford a contract for 30 days, guys, then you need to save up some money because you should not be trading in the stock market. Now, how do we know if it's a bottom? Well, I'm glad you asked that question. If you have the dominator, guys, look at this. You're going to get a buy signal every time we find a bottom. Now, I'm going to go on the 6-hour time frame. I can go on the 4-hour time frame, guys, and see how it matches up with those yellow marks. 4-hour time frame is what I recommend, and you're going to do well. Look at what we have here. So let's just take the last 4 hours, okay, time frame. And we had a nice signal down here, and then we went up, and then now we had another buy signal down there, guys. We bought calls. We're going up, and guess what? now we're starting to come back. It's called a pullback. It's healthy for the stock. So what you need to understand, guys, is if you don't have patience, okay, you need to learn how to have patience with your stock that you're playing. You need to understand how to identify bottoms, and you need to understand that the 8 EMA is an important place to go for the stock to continue going up, guys. So for now, if you don't have the Dominator, guys, I have a special for you. I'm going to leave you a link below in the description. Okay. I want you to join my Discord, and you're going to be able to see me trade live, and you'll be able to see when I post these charts and I give you an alert, guys. No one is giving anybody 30 days ahead, guys. I give you 30 days. I tell you to buy a contract for 4 weeks. I make the recommendations based off real charts, guys, and real analysis. So don't make the mistake. Okay. If SPY pulls back, it's going to be normal. Do not panic. Okay. What I will tell you is be careful if you're day trading. You need to have an indicator, or you need to have a strategy that is telling you it's time to get in or it's time to get out. So don't forget, guys, I'm leaving you in the description below with links to the Discord so you can understand how to trade slower. You do not have to go that fast. The 5-minute is fast for about 97% of the traders, and they are in denial right now, guys. You have one big win, okay, but you're not having a big win every day. You need to understand you need a strategy. I want to help you with that, guys. Let me know in the comments below if this makes sense, and if you want to join the Discord, guys, it's for free. Click on the link below. See you on the next video.